We wanted a house that was much more open. We entertain a lot. We love to have friends. I love to cook. I love to entertain. And we wanted a house much more conducive to that. And I wanted a house where I could be in the kitchen cooking and people could sort of be there, but not on top of me. And this house flows that way. The other thing we really, really wanted was we wanted a lot of light. And as you could see, this house is full of light with lots of windows and a lot of light. I had the drawings and the pictures of how I wanted the fireplace and the mantle and the side bookshelves and all. And Leighton stood here one day and looked up at the ceiling. It was going to be like that, and he says, "We have to have a tray ceiling." I said, "Tray ceiling? What's a tray ceiling?" And he explained to me, and I said, "Well, okay." And he says, "No, this really has to have it. It's going to be beautiful." And he did this, and I'm talking, Leighton was here building the wood things himself, and this tray ceiling and all of this fireplace and shelves really has Leighton's handprints on it. And we love the tray ceiling. I think it's a beautiful feature. Worked out very well, and it's Leighton's. I love hardwood floors, and I fell in love with these red birch. These floors are red birch, and I love the color and the favorite knothole of the week in which board and the beautiful floors.
You know, I hated watching football games on TV in the fall in the old house because it was in the basement with these little windows way up here. And I wanted light. I wanted to be able to look and see outside and see the leaves falling off the trees or snow coming down or whatever. And so, you know, I talked to Leighton about this lot and what we could do here. And with his assistance, I mean, as you can see, the downstairs is like a main floor of a house.
One of the things we said to Leighton when we first started the process is that we're ready for retirement, and we wanted a home that was fairly maintenance-free. So therefore we had siding that didn't need to be painted. We had decks covered so they didn't need to be painted. And that was important to us. Also, the floor plan that we were choosing was one that was pretty much on one level for people as they get older and don't want to do stairs.
We wanted lots of windows. We wanted to be able to see out. We have a wonderful view of the Helena Valley, and we enjoy the outdoors. We enjoy the birds in the morning.
We wanted to incorporate timber framing, and he did a great job incorporating the timber framing in our house.
Style-wise, you know, a lot of things we were able to do with Leighton's help. That included a lot of the natural materials, including rough cut flooring, the timber framing, natural slate. And those things are things that were somewhat unique to our home and things that we very much wanted. We were fortunate to get to buy a lot that had very nice views, and in our design and construction and the placement of windows, I think took very good advantage of those views. Really brought those views into the house, which is, I think, one thing that makes our house somewhat unique and also very much what we like.
And this was a whole different lifestyle with this house when Leighton and Buzz did it, because I went for elegance because that's what I wanted in my home, and they're more Montana style rustic type home. So this was a very different home, as people can see when they come in with all the white molding and stuff like that. But they went right along with everything that we wanted.
And they made some really nice suggestions too as we went along, you know, like her flower pots on the front of the house. And we was trying to figure out what would dress it up just a little bit, and they both, you know, helped give some ideas, and it really helped when they pointed out some things that I probably wouldn't have thought about.
So we had decided with this beautiful view that we have, oh, it's awesome out here with 360 degree or 180 degree view. We just drink it all in, but anyway, we just decided we wanted to go with a one-level home, and we love it. I have my family, our kids are up here, so when we have everybody here, we can just flow through the whole area right in here and we can all just talk, and that's what we wanted. I would say, and we've had people we did luck out, and we've had people in our subdivision, a few of them, that have asked who built our home, and of course it makes us proud to say that, you know, it's a Sysum home.
Being a member of the Helena, the Montana, and the National Association of Home Builders, and a proud participant in the National Green Building Program, Sysum will work with you to design and build a more energy-efficient home that not only protects our environment, but fits your lifestyle. Because to you, life and style are one. Sysum Construction.